Let's now go to understanding dizziness and fainting disorders. Let's discuss an overview of common causes, symptoms, and urgent care measures for dizziness and fainting, emphasizing the need for awareness and timely intervention. Understanding dizziness and fainting. Dizziness and fainting are prevalent symptoms that often signal serious medical conditions. Recognizing these symptoms early can lead to prompt treatment and improve health outcomes. Overview of dizziness and lightheadedness disorders. Diverse causes of dizziness. Dizziness can stem from numerous medical conditions, including anemia, hypotension, and heart rhythm problems. Each condition presents unique symptoms and requires distinct management strategies. Serious implications of lightheadedness. Lightheadedness is often a sign of more serious conditions such as stroke, transient ischemic attack, or hypoglycemia. Recognizing these symptoms promptly is crucial for effective treatment and potential life-saving interventions. Importance of early recognition. Timely recognition and assessment of dizziness and lightheadedness symptoms can lead to appropriate medical intervention. Awareness of the underlying disorders helps in early diagnosis and treatment, improving patient outcomes. Understanding anemia, symptoms and impact. Anemia results in insufficient red blood cells, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, pale skin, rapid heart rate, and headaches. Recognizing these signs is vital for timely diagnosis and treatment to prevent complications. Hypotension, a hidden threat. Hypotension or low blood pressure often presents with symptoms such as lightheadedness, blurred vision, and weakness. These symptoms can intensify upon standing up or prolonged standing, making it crucial to seek immediate medical evaluation, especially in vulnerable populations like the elderly. Heart rhythm problems, understanding the symptoms. Heart rhythm problems or arrhythmias may manifest as dizziness along with a heightened awareness of one's heartbeat, which can be fast, slow, or irregular. It's crucial to seek medical advice if these symptoms persist, particularly when associated with chest pain or shortness of breath, as they indicate a potentially serious condition. Heart valve disorders, understanding their impact on dizziness. Heart valve disorders can significantly affect blood flow, leading to dizziness, irregular heartbeats, and shortness of breath. Symptoms may also include swelling in the ankles and feet, making it crucial to seek urgent medical attention if chest pain and severe symptoms occur. Understanding hypoglycemia, symptoms, and urgency. Hypoglycemia or low blood sugar can lead to severe physical reactions, including lightheadedness, sweating, shaking, and confusion. It is critical to recognize these symptoms promptly as they can escalate quickly into more serious conditions, such as loss of consciousness or seizures, particularly in individuals with diabetes. Transient ischemic attack, recognizing the signs. A transient ischemic attack is characterized by stroke-like symptoms that resolve within 24 hours. Common symptoms include sudden dizziness, weakness, and difficulty speaking, making it essential to seek immediate medical help as it may signal a risk for future stroke. Recognizing stroke symptoms, a critical emergency. Stroke is a serious medical condition that requires immediate attention. Key indicators include sudden dizziness, loss of imbalance, facial drooping, weakness or paralysis on one side of the body, slurred speech, and difficulty swallowing. Recognizing these symptoms promptly can save lives and improve outcomes. Minor head injury. Understanding the risks. Minor head injuries can lead to dizziness, mild headaches, and other symptoms that require careful monitoring. While most cases resolve without complications, it is crucial to be vigilant for any worsening symptoms that may indicate a more serious injury. Serious head injury, recognizing symptoms and urgency. Serious head injuries can manifest through symptoms such as loss of consciousness, amnesia, vomiting, or seizures. If any of these symptoms occur, it's crucial to seek urgent medical help immediately. Recognizing heat exhaustion symptoms. Heat exhaustion occurs when the body overheats, often due to prolonged exposure to high temperatures. Typical symptoms include faintness, headache, weakness, intense thirst, muscle cramps, nausea, and fast pulse, which can escalate to heat stroke if not addressed promptly. Cervical spondylosis effects on balance. Cervical spondylosis is a degenerative condition affecting the cervical spine, leading to dizziness and unsteadiness, especially during quick head movements. It is important to recognize these symptoms as they can significantly impact daily activities and overall quality of life. Epileptic seizures, critical awareness. Epileptic seizures can manifest as sudden loss of consciousness, accompanied by uncontrollable jerking movements of the body. Recognizing these symptoms early is essential, and if it is the first seizure or consciousness does not return within 5 minutes, immediate medical assistance should be sought. Recognizing symptoms, a life-saving imperative. Dizziness and fainting can be indicators of serious health issues, underscoring the necessity of prompt medical attention. Early recognition and action not only facilitate effective treatment, but can also prevent life-threatening complications. Thank you for your attention.